Fuel's got that heat.
Goddamn copyright struck my ass. What's the deal? Ooh wee. They say the camera added 10 pounds. It looked like it added 100. Maybe that's just me. I done gained so much goddamn weight since the last time I made a video. What's the deal, y'all? Shit. What is it, 6 o'clock? I'm about to go to the movies with my lady. Shit, that shit leaning. About to go to the movies with my lady. What else? I'm about to go see the plug, the firework plug. And we about to go pop some shit in downtown. So, shit, what movie we about to go see? We about to go see Element. I don't know. That shit look like a kid movie, but that shit look dope. With the fire and ice characters. So, shit. This holding this shit weird to me, yo. Like, I gotta put the glasses on because I'm a little cockeyed. Trying to look at myself. Yeah, this shit gonna make me lose weight for sure because I don't like how I look for nothing. But shit, I might as well start doing this shit again. I have put out like 3 or 4 videos, but they wasn't doing shit. Well, I just wasn't confident in myself though, and I was insecure. I'm like, man, if I'm gonna do this shit, I can't be insecure no more. Like, you ain't gonna see a nigga with a shirt on for nothing. You ain't gonna see me with my shirt on for nothing, but yeah, I can't be as insecure as I used to be. So, we're about to go to the Grove. Shit, I hit y'all when we probably leave the Grove. Damn, I wanted to give y'all a little pull, but I ain't got nothing but an RT, but there's too much traffic. Shit hard! Oh, fuck! This shit hard! I ain't got nothing but a little RT Durango. I want to pay this bitch off. I want another toy. I need get another toy for sure. I can't wait to pay this bitch off. I'm gonna do it quick too. Quick, fast, and a hurry. I'm gonna pay this bitch off. Let's see if I can get another one. Let's see if I can get another one real quick. This shit is hard. Damn, boy. I want to upgrade this shit, but I'm gonna wait until I see if I can do a little engine switcheroo, and then I'm gonna start from there. Hopefully I can get that shit done. I hope this shit ain't fucked up. Passed up a little scat pack. I feel like if I'm gonna get a car, if I'm gonna get like so I got the RT, but I got the fully upgraded one. I got the lane assist, the sunroof, the red seats, the second row bucket seats. Like if I'm gonna get a car, It's gonna be the fully upgraded one, because there's no point in me getting like a Scat Pack without all the options or something. Like, man, I don't want a Scat Pack because that ain't what I'm going for. If I'm gonna get some shit. So, but this shit, boy, I done had this shit what, about 2 years now, 3 years. It ain't fucked up on one. It ain't fucked up on me once. So I'm thankful for that shit. I bought this shit with like, how many miles I had on it? I think I had, I hope y'all can hear me. Let me lift these windows up. Look, this is Scat Pack I had passed up. Scat Pack's cool. They cool. They ain't my cup of tea though. If I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get that 707. That's what I'm gonna get. So, but shit, boy, this shit been fun so far. But yeah, man, I'm finna still head to this motherfucking. Yeah, I got the hat on, man. I got a trip coming up, so I'm gonna just let my shit wolf out. But my shit ain't looking too good. Ooh, y'all. So, what did we watch? Entanglement? No. What movie did we just watch?
Elemental.
We watched Elemental. We just watched Elemental. It was good. We can see ourselves in it. So look. We went to the firework plug. Oh, you can't even see, yo. But just know we got some big shit. Oh, sorry, man. Just know we got some big shit. He gave me, look, y'all, that shit crazy.
Duct taped with the glue.
Hey,
that
man,
shit is not safe.
Leave the plug alone.
That shit is not safe.
He called this a soda can. This one, oh my god, I can't wait to pop this one. This the one right here. We finna pop some shit. Watch. Oh, I can't fucking wait. We finna pop this shit. Look, and I got the special torch. My shit going dead. I ain't got that much time, but. Yeah, that shit fucked me. That shit fucked me up. Oh, I got right in front of you too. Cause I felt it in my ear.
Ooh.
Damn, that shit loud.
But that shit in your skin. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Damn.
Okay. Everybody thinking you finna light another nice one, and then that shit just threw everybody off guard.
No, I don't know where I can pop those at.